Okay. Yes. So this is a question. What is the first procedure while getting a fund flow question? Preparation of
Schedule of changes in working capital.
schedule of changes in working capital. For that purpose, you have to see the items, the current assets and current liabilities which are given inside the balance sheet. So let us identify the current liabilities. Equity share capital,
No, sir.
No, sir.
preference.
No.
No.
So let you please tell me which are only the current liabilities.
Creditors, bills payable.
Creditors and bills payable are only the two current liabilities. What about current assets?
Debtors, stock,
Bills
receivable,
receivable, cash.
bank.
Bank. So we have two current liabilities and 5 current assets. From this, we will be preparing the statement of changes in working capital. How many columns?
5.
Five
So
columns.
first of all, you have to mention all the current assets, total that, mention all the current liabilities, total that, find out the working capital for 2 years. Working capital equals
Current asset minus current liability.
Current liabilities.
current assets minus current liabilities. So you will be getting working capital of 2 years. Then you have to see whether this is the previous year, this is the current year, which one is high or low. Then you will be finding out net increase or net decrease in working capital. So those who haven't done this working capital, this statement of changes in working capital, you can prepare. I'll give you time. എല്ലാരും prepare ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Some of you have already done this problem fully and you just listen to this. What about others? Did you try to do? Are you trying to do something? Are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am not able to see the participants. Let me call some people. Yes, Srigant, are you there? Mr. Srigant. Srigant is not there. What about Nikhil? Nikhil, you got the Moodle ID and password?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I got.
Okay. Did you go to that Moodle page?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So please take your own time and I'll come
Okay, sir.
back to you. Yes. Gavin,
Okay,
Gavin, are
okay,
you there? Yes, thank you, Nikhil. Gavin,
Yes, sir.
are you doing the problems?
Yes, sir.
So what is the, did you prepare the statement of changes in working capital?
No, sir. I just started.
Yes. Okay. What about Maria Surabhi?
No, sir, I haven't prepared.
Ma'am, you can start actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Then who is there? Albin Anto Philip, are you there? Albin. I think Albin has gone to have his breakfast. I don't know how he is going to study the fund flow statement. What about Mohammed Naswi? Are you here? Justin John?
Yes, sir.
You are able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Daniel Tommy,
Yes, sir.
you are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
the proposed dividend made in show in additional information.
Okay.
So we have to take in two sides.
No, actually, this information we already know. That means proposed dividend we have previous year 84,000 and current year 1 lakh. Okay.
Yes.
Here, so what we will do is this 1 lakh, this is the current year proposed dividend, which will go to adjusted profit and loss account.
Yes, but I add the 84,000.
That is a mistake, because we should take only this 1 lakh in the, we should take this 1 lakh in adjusted profit and loss account. Also, one more thing, what is that? This interim dividend, no, which is given in the adjustment, 40,000.
Yes.
This is to be taken in two places. What do you mean by interim dividend? This year it is proposed, this year it is paid. So it will come in two places.
Two places.
But when it comes to the balance sheet item, 84,000 will come in fund flow statement application side, and 1 lakh will come in adjusted profit and loss account.
Yes,
Is
yes.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So now you can start doing this statement of changes in working capital. Yes. See, all these amounts are in lakhs. Okay. You should add 3 zeros at the end. Don't make mistakes. Yeah. Those who have not done this statement of changes in working capital, please do it. We have creditors and bills payable as liabilities, debtors, stock, bills receivable, cash, bank as current assets. See, those who are doing this statement of changes in working capital, can you tell me who all are doing by just unmuting your mic so that I will be able to know? Alange, I may go to the next one. Hello? Please unmute and say that you are doing. So,
Yes, sir, working on it.
okay. If you are not speaking, it will be like Maunam Sammadam, then I will rush. Next week on Thursday, you will be having 2 guest talks, 1 hour each. Oranam, that university cultural exchange talk, that Indonesia University. Then 2 to 3, you have another guest talk. And Monday afternoon, you have AdMat competition final. Are you working on that AdMat competition?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
So I was able to see your ads. It was good. Even though you people were staying in different places, it was okay. See, any one of you who from the team who did that, what is that? എന്തോ ഒരു സ്വാമിജിന്റെ ഒരു ആഡ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. One Swamiji was sitting on a rock.
Yes.
Whose team was that?
Pattern. Cartons.
So that Swamiji, so you people went to നിങ്ങൾ 3 പേര് ഒരുമിച്ച് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് പോയോ?
Yes, sir.
അല്ല മീറ്റ് ചെയ്തോ? അതെങ്ങനെയാ അത്? അത് വേറെ ക്ലിപ്പിംഗ്സ് എടുത്തതാണോ? എങ്ങനെയാ?
അല്ല സർ മീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു.
ഓ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. Is it over? Those who are working on statement of changes. Hello?
Sir. Sir.
Stabin?
Yes, sir.
Over? Over?
Remain something. That's okay. I will do.
No issue, no issue. You can. So what is the total current assets for 2008 and 2000? Which years? I forgot the year.
2007, 2008.
Okay. Yeah, 2007, 2008. Yeah, tell me the total.
5,64,000.
2008,
7,14,000.
current liability,
1,50,000. 1,98,000.
98,000. So first of all, current assets total, current liabilities total. Then working capital equals current assets minus current liabilities. 2007,
4,14,000.
14,000.
8.
5,60,000.
16,000.
Yes. So just by seeing this working capital, you can see that it has increased. So you can write the total amount over here, 516, 516. Increase or decrease?
Increase in working capital.
Increase in working capital. Amount?
1,02,000.
1,02,000. We are adding 3 zeros over here. So this is all about statement of changes in working capital. What is the next procedure?
Adjusted P and L
Profit
account.
Adjusted profit and loss account. For that purpose, again come to the question. One second. Yes. So you have the question over here. Now go to the adjustments and see. In order to prepare adjusted profit and loss account, we have to see which are the small or individual accounts that we have to prepare. So first one, proposed dividend. Should we prepare an account?
No.
No, sir.
No. What about depreciation is given? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
which
Plant
are
and
the assets?
machinery.
Yeah, plant and machinery and land and building. So 2 accounts over here we have to create. So in this question, after preparing this asset account, we'll be getting profit on sale, loss on sale, or sale or purchase of fixed asset.
Yes, sir.
Purchase.
Yes.
Purchase of
There, sale or purchase, because what here it is given only like depreciation in the adjustments. They haven't mentioned that we have purchased any assets, purchased or sold any assets. So that would be the balancing figure. Only depreciation is given. What about yesterday's problem? They had given something. No,
we should be given. Yeah.
yes, in adjustments, if they say like 80,000 value machinery was sold for 70,000 or 1,30,000, if that is given like that, you will be getting profit on sale of fixed asset or loss on sale of
Loss on
fixed
sale.
asset.
Fixed asset.
And also they had given additional machinery or additional assets purchased. So in that case, what was the balancing figure yesterday?
Depreciation.
Depreciation was
Depreciation.
the balancing figure. In this question, depreciation is mentioned and they have not said anything about sale or purchase of fixed assets. So that means sale or purchase of fixed assets would be the balancing figure in this question. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So plant and machinery account should be prepared and land and building 2 accounts. What about third adjustment? Interim dividend has been paid 40,000. So if you want, you can Should we prepare any account on interim dividend?
No, sir.
Sir.
Next adjustment, income tax 70,000. Should we prepare an account?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can prepare an account saying provision for tax, or else no, if you are very expert in this, what is the amount which should be debited in adjusted profit and loss account without preparing account? അതെങ്ങനെയാന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ tax provision, what is the difference? 80 became 100. What is the amount?
20.
Difference.
20,000.
Here you have the difference 20,000 and you have the adjustment 70,000. So this can be added. 70,000 plus 20,000, 90,000 would be debited to adjusted profit and loss account. So in order to reduce that confusion, we are preparing provision for tax account also in this question. So total 3 accounts will be prepared in order to find the items in adjusted profit and loss
Yes.
account. Yes. So starting off with plant and machinery account.
Missionary.
And then missionary.
So please recollect the opening balance and closing balance. Plant and machinery 160 and
Opening
400,
balance.
right?
Yes, sir.
Opening balance 1 lakh.
One.
1,16,000.
Opening balance asset, which side, debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit side.
So right, opening balance. Amount,
1,60,000.
closing balance,
4 lakh.
four lakh. What is the adjustment given in the question?
Depreciation 20,000.
Depreciation, which comes in the debit side or credit side?
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Depreciation 20,000. Yes. So they have not given any purchase or sale of fixed assets or profit or loss on sale of fixed assets and all. So from this account, the balancing figure would be either purchase or sale of plant and machinery. Which side is more?
Credit side is
Credit
more.
side.
So you can total that 4 plus 20, 4,20,000. Here also 4,20,000. And you have the opening balance. What is the difference amount?
2,60,000.
2,60,000. What is this?
Purchase of plant.
Purchase
How
of
do you
plant.
say that this is purchase, which came in the
Debit side.
Debit side.
side? Purchase of plant. And what is this? Why did we find out this value?
Balancing figure.
Balancing figure.
It is
Balance-
Application.
application. This is also the balancing figure, and this will be recorded in
Application. Fund flow statement application.
Application.
fund flow statement application side. What about this depreciation 20,000?
Adjusted in
Adjusted
P&L account.
Adjusted profit and loss account. This is all about machinery account. What about land and building? Land and building also the same adjustment,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
but slight difference. Yeah. Opening balance and closing balance. Opening balance which side? It is an asset account.
Debit side.
Opening balance,
4
closing
lakh.
balance. 4 lakh.
3,40,000.
3,40,000.
3,40,000. What is given in the adjustment?
Depreciation. of
Depreciation.
Debit or credit?
Credit.
Sorry, credit.
Depreciation. Amount
14,000.
40,000.
40,000. Now the next procedure, they have not given any profit on sale or loss on sale or purchase or sales. So the balancing figure would be either purchase or sale of land and building. Which side is more?
Debit side is more.
Debit side is more.
Earlier, while preparing plant and machinery account, credit side was more, right? Here
Yes,
it is
sir.
debit side is more. So you'll be writing 4 lakh.
Like
Here also 4 lakh.
4 lakh.
And what is this? Balancing
balancing
figure
figure 13,000.
20,000. So something came in the credit side. What will it be?
Sale of
Sale
land
of
and
land.
building.
Sale of land. This is also
Comes in source.
Source.
source. This way you have to prepare accounts. Okay. So this source goes to fund flow statement,
Statement.
source part. And depreciation,
Adjusted P&L account.
adjusted
Yes.
P&L account. So this is the way how we should do the adjustments regarding fixed assets. Now, what is the third account that we are required to prepare?
Provision for taxation.
Yes. Provision for tax. Asset or liability? Provision for tax.
Liability.
So we have the opening balance and closing balance in the question. Which side opening balance appears?
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Credit side, because it is a
Liability.
liability. Opening balance, closing balance. What is the amount?
18,000.
80,000.
1
Yes,
lakh.
which we had already discussed earlier, no? 80,000 became 1 lakh. So the difference plus the amount paid. So 80,000 and 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the adjustment regarding provision for tax?
Income tax.
70,000.
17,000.
Tax paid. Tax paid means it comes in the debit side. What is the reason it comes in the debit side?
It will be reducing liability.
Since provision for tax is a liability, and if we are paying cash means it will be reduced.
Reduced.
അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is why it came in the debit side. What is the amount?
17,000.
70,000.
70,000. This cash is also known as
Application.
this will come in the
Fund
fund flow
Fund flow
statement
statement.
application. Yes. And what is the balancing figure?
1 lakh.
No, one second.
70,000.
What would be the balancing figure? Where do we take this amount to?
Adjusted profit.
Adjusted P&L
Profit
account.
and loss.
Adjusted profit and loss account. Which side is more, debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit side.
1,70,000. 1,70,000. What is the amount?
19,000.
90,000.
90,000. So the same adjustment. This is a similar problem that we have done 2 days back. So we have found out all the individual accounts. Now we have to prepare the
Adjusted P&L account.
adjusted
Adjusted
profit and loss
profit and
account. So I'll give you 10 minutes. You can prepare the adjusted P&L account. Go to the question and see for non-operating, non-fund, non-cash items. After that, come to these small accounts. From plant and machinery and land and building, you have to take the depreciation. From provision for tax, you have to take the balancing figure. And yes, do the problem. Do this adjusted P&L account. I'll give you time. So how to start adjusted profit and loss account?
Net profit.
Net profit
Profit.
brought down. Why this came in the credit side? Net profit carried down. Because profit is also a liability to the business. And നമ്മള് final accounts prepare ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ what we had done with profit while doing final accounts? Net profit transferred to
Capital.
capital account. Capital asset ആണോ liability ആണോ?
Liability.
Liability.
Yes, the same thing that we have to do with profit and loss account. If it is profit, the balance should start in the credit side. So now you can do that. 60,000, 96,000. Yes. Jace Jacob is here. Jace. Hello, Jace. Hello. Jace Jacob.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are doing this?
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
Yes. After preparing adjusted profit and loss account, I want you to tell me the amounts, okay, from the debit side. Please don't copy. Let it be mistake. No issue. I'll tell you. Okay, Jace? Hello? Jace? ഇതൊരു ട്രോളാക്കി ഇറക്കുന്നത് നന്നായിരിക്കും. ഉബൈദ് ഇബ്രാഹിമിനോട് പറ. സാറ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചപ്പോ യെസ് സാർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാണാനില്ല, മാഞ്ഞുപോയി. ഒന്നും അത്ര നല്ലതല്ല മോനൂസേ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Jace. Are you there? See, are you doing private messaging in your group and all right now during class? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും അറിയോ നിങ്ങളെയൊക്കെ മര്യാദയ്ക്ക്? ഒന്നും you people are not talking.
എല്ലാരും അറിയത്തില്ല, കുറച്ച് പേര് അറിയുന്നു.
സൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് സൈലൻസ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന പോലെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു സുഖല്ലേ ശരിക്കും ഇത്, ബീയിങ് സോ സൈലന്റ്. Anyways, you will not be able to chat privately in this Zoom, no? ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഫ്ലോപ്പ് ആയവരുണ്ടോ? Joel, are you there? Let me see who all are there. Arvindam Shaji, you are there? Arvind? Anju Yohanan. Anju Yohanan is not there.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay. Ria George.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amal Matthew,
Yes, sir. I'm here.
you are doing the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sharon Susan,
Yes, sir.
you are also doing the problem, no?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Adjusted profit and loss account. Dibin Tommy.
Yes, sir. I am also doing.
Okay. Alan Thomas.
Yes, sir.
So now you don't have any network issue. Only for mentoring you have network issue.
Sir, I am in front of now.
Okay. Sam is here.
Yes, sir.
You're doing the problem.
Yes, sir.
So what is the adjustment for proposed dividend? Sam,
Yes, sir. I'm trying
you're trying to get up from your bed or what?
to find the answer.
Yes. Actually, proposed dividend, we have three amounts: proposed dividend and interim dividend. 84,000 and 1 lakh is there in the balance sheet. Then what? 40,000 rupees is there in the additional information. So you should say which are the amounts which will come in which all places. Yes, Sam. Sam has also disappeared. Okay, so you take your time and do this. You have any doubts, please ask me. I'll give you clarifications. Yeah. Please try to remember the format of adjusted profit and loss account. Debit side, all the items like depreciation, profit from sale of fixed assets, then what? Provision for tax, interim dividend, transfer to goodwill or transfer to general reserve, goodwill written off, patents written off, all these things will appear usually. So in this question, what are the things we have? Starting, you can start with opening balance of profit and loss account in the credit side, closing balance on the debit side. Yeah, after that, you have to see. Yeah. General reserve is there, goodwill written off is there, provision for taxes there, proposed dividend is there, interim dividend is there, depreciation is also there. Yes. So these are the items which will appear in adjusted profit and loss account, debit side. Credit side, we in this question, we don't have any other non-operating, non-fund, non-cash items. So depreciation, transfer to general reserve, goodwill written off, proposed dividend of the current year, interim dividend given in the adjustment, and provision for tax, the total amount that you receive from the individual account. These are the items coming in the debit side of adjusted P&L account. Yes. And credit side, we have only that balance brought down. Shall I proceed? Shall we prepare adjusted P&L account? Shall I do it?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, adjusted profit and loss account. First of all, you can any way you can prepare. You can start with the adjustment items or from the balance sheet. Any items. So tell me, what are the items? Starting from the balance sheet. Yes. What is the first item? Come through liabilities and then assets. That side. Equity share capital.
No,
No, sir.
Preference share.
no.
Sir.
Next one.
General
General
reserve.
reserve. Yes, sir.
Transfer to reserve.
Transfer to general reserve. What is the difference amount?
16,000.
60,000.
60,000. Next item.
Then
Proposed
dividend.
dividend.
Propose dividend.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh will appear. Don't forget, okay, the current year proposed dividend will appear in adjusted profit and loss account. Don't forget that. Proposed dividend is over. Next item.
Provision for tax.
Provision for tax.
Provision for tax. From the
90,000.
account. 90,000. How did provision for tax came 90,000? The difference amount, that is 20,000 plus the adjustment amount tax paid. 20 plus 70, we get 90,000. Or else this is the balancing figure after preparing provision for tax account. Next item.
Depreciation.
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 16,000.
60,000.
20 plus 40. Plant and land and building. 60,000. Depreciation is over.
Interim dividend.
Goodwill. Oh, sorry. Interim
Interim
dividend.
dividend.
Interim dividend. Which is given in the adjustment. How much?
14,000.
40,000. Last item.
Goodwill
Goodwill
return.
written off.
Goodwill written off. How much?
50,000.
50,000.
The difference amount. That is 50,000. Okay. Any other items?
No, sir.
Sir.
So usually what is the item which will appear in the credit side? All the non-fund, non-cash, non-operating. Can you tell me one example? Hello.
Interest received.
375668. 375668. 668. Sharing. So any other items? We don't have any other items. So we can balance this. Which side is more, debit or credit?
Debit sales.
Debit side.
Total amount?
4,96,000.
4,96,000.
4,96,000. What is the difference amount?
4,36,000.
4,36,000. Yes. And this is known as?
Fund from
Fund
operation.
flow.
This will go to
Fund flow
Flow
statement.
statement.
Source.
source side. Is this clear? All of you?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So adjusted P&L account is over. What is the next thing?
Fund flow
Fund flow
statement.
statement.
The original fund flow statement. You have sources of funds, application of fund. Sources of fund means what are the ways and means by which money has entered our business. Application also, it means what are the
Goes
ways
out
and
of
means
the money.
goes, yeah. So source of fund, again come to the question and start with the balance sheet. First item.
Equity share capital.
Issue capital. Issue of shares.
Why issue of shares?
Means it is
Share.
increased.
Yes.
It is increased in
Current year.
2008.
Current year it has been increased compared to the previous year.
Previous
What is the
year.
difference amount?
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Next item.
Sale of land.
Sale of land and building. From where did we get that?
From the land
From
and
the
building
land and
account.
building account.
From this account. See, credit side we have sale of land. That is source. Sale of amount
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. What will be the next major source?
Fund from
So for fund
operation.
flow.
Fund from
Okay.
operations. What is the amount?
4,36,000.
4,36,000. Any other items?
No,
No, sir. 6,56,000.
6,56,000. What about application of funds?
Redemption
Purchase
of
of-
preferences. Oh, sorry.
Redemption of
Redemption.
shares.
Redemption of preference shares.
Shares.
Why redemption of preference share came? Because the amount has
Decreased.
Decreased.
decreased
Compared to
compared to the previous year. What is the
Previous year.
difference?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Now all other applications. What are the applications?
Purchase of land.
Purchase of plant. From where did you got that?
Plant account.
Plant and
Plant
account.
account, debit side. Don't forget to take this item. Purchase of plant. How much?
2,60,000.
2,60,000. Yes.
Proposed
Proposed
dividend.
dividend.
Proposed dividend
84,000.
84,000.
24.
84, sir.
84.
Don't cry.
Eternal.
84,000.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Interim dividend.
Dividend.
Interim dividend. How much?
14,000.
40,000.
40,000.
Tax.
Provision for tax.
Provision ano?
No, sir.
Actual tax paid. Don't take 90,000 here. Tax
70,000.
paid.
70.
We should take the amount
70,000.
only from adjustment.
Yes.
70,000.
70,000. Next.
Total, sir.
Total.
5,54,000.
5,54,000. Yes.
1 lakh 2,000.
Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Increase in working capital.
1 lakh.
6,56 minus 5,54. 1 lakh
1 lakh
2,000.
2,000. This amount we have already received while
Okay.
preparing
Statement
Changing
of
it.
changes in working
statement
capital.
of changes in working capital. Yes. So those who are not able to do, please ask the doubts. Please unmute and ask. I am ready to help you. I don't know whether how the things are. Anything you require further explanation, please tell me. Yeah. So it is 1 lakh 2,000.